There are rumors, misinformation being spread. We increased the budget for the Indo-Fijian ministry because for years they were neglected. The ministry was neglected with small amounts of budget. But let me just say this mischief and rumor that this government is discriminating against certain ethnic groups, particularly Indo-Fijians. This is being spread by our detractors. When we increase social welfare, when we give $200,000 to every student with their income, when we give subsidies to agriculture, when we put in $8 million additional to top up the price to $91.38 for the sugarcane farmers, where 90% of the farmers are Indo-Fijians. We're not saying that only the Indo-Fijian people are going to benefit from this, or the Indo-Fijians are going to be benefiting from this. It's coming from the very people who use race as a card for the last so many years. The mischief, the lies that some of them were spreading before the election. And all of you know, social welfare will be gone. The scholarship will be gone. This is what was being spread amongst the Indo-Fijian population by the campaigners in the Fiji First Party. And they are still lying, some of them. But what this government has shown, that this is a government that is for all the people of this country. Yes, we will have actions where our Indo-Fijian people deserve more attention. There will be areas where our Indo-Fijian population will need more attention. And these are policies that is designed to bring the people of this country together. When 75% of those who live below the poverty line are Indo-Fijian people, that's a fact. So my message to the people of Fiji, and especially to our Indo-Fijian community, that let's move out of this misinformation, mischief, rumor that certain groups, certain ethnic groups are being discriminated under this government. It's false. It is a lie that is propagated because some people did that before and it's continuing. It will take time for it to move away.